Hey CFQers, welcome to week 5 of your advanced workout. Today Julie and I are going to go over it. So today we have 5 circuits. You're going to do a 45-second work with a 15-second rest for each exercise. Go through the circuit 3 times before moving on. After your cardio and stretch, you're going to get started. So let's go ahead. We'll start with our first circuit. So keep in mind, we are going for 45 seconds non-stop work for a few rounds. So when you grab your weight, make sure it's not too heavy, but it's still heavy enough to where it's going to challenge you and struggle. From there, once you grab your weight, you're going to find a box. You're going to go into a chest fly, a dumbbell chest fly. So start off with your hands together, slight bend in the elbow. Just lower your hands down so they're about parallel with your body. Squeeze at the top. You have 45 seconds. From there, you have 15 seconds of rest before you start exercise number 2. We're going to go into a Spider-Man push-up. So what you're going to do is get into your normal push-up position, feet wide. As you drop down into that push-up, you're bringing your knee to the elbow. You got 45 seconds here, and then we're going into our next exercise, which is a burpee. So you 45 seconds, bring your feet up toward your hands, squat down, kick the feet back, explode up towards the ceiling. Once you've gotten 45 seconds, take a 15-second break and start over. Now, one reminder is you do not have to take the 15-second break in between each exercise. Definitely take it after you've completed your final exercise of the block and kind of add your rest time as you need it, as you go through the workout. Once you've gotten your burpees, 3 rounds, we're going to hit some legs. So you're going to get your dumbbells, hold them at your front rack position, nice and high in the chest, elbows tucked. You're going to drop down into your goblet squat with a 2-rep pulse. So what that means is Julie's going to stay low, get 2 half squats, explode back to the top for 45 seconds. So it's 1, 2, 3 up. Once you've gotten 45 seconds here, you're going into your next exercise, a weighted squat jump. Dumbbells by your side, drop into a squat, and explode off the ground. The main goal here is when you're landing, is to land softly. You want to land around the balls of your feet, let the heels come down, and explode back up. 45 seconds there, we're going to our next exercise. We're going to come down to the ground. We're doing an alternating single leg bridge. So kick one leg up, get your bridge, hips nice and high, come back down and switch legs. 45 seconds here, start back with your goblet with the squat pulse. Hit 3 rounds, and we're moving on to our next circuit. We're going to grab ourselves some dumbbells as well as the resistance band. So first thing we're going to do is a half hold, half curl bicep. So Julie's going to bring both dumbbells up. One arm is going to hold while the other arm curls. Once you've gotten 45 seconds on your right, switch to 45 seconds on your opposite arm. Once you've gotten 45 seconds on both, you're going to grab your resistance band. What we're going to do is you can start off with 1 foot on the band. As you need to adjust, if it's not enough resistance, put both feet on. All you're going to do is a full bicep curl with the band, kind of go more for speed on this. Once you've gotten 45 seconds, you're going to your next exercise. Grab those dumbbells. You have alternating hammer curls. 45 seconds here, 3 rounds on that circuit. We go into our 4th circuit. Keeping those dumbbells, we're going to lie down on the box. You're going to start off dumbbells together, press straight up. From there, go into your skull crusher. Have those dumbbells come pretty close to your face and then squeeze that tricep, press straight out. Once you've gotten 45 seconds here, come to the edge of your box. Hips off, you're going to do a single leg tricep dip. Keep that leg as extended, as straight as you can. You get 45 seconds here, 45 seconds with the other leg extended, and go into your next exercise. Still using that box, you're going to prop your feet up. You're going to do a decline shoulder tap. Getting into that push-up position, you're just going to straighten that arm out, bring your opposite hand to that shoulder. 45 seconds, start back with your close grip press to skull crusher. Hit that circuit for 3 rounds, and we go on to our fifth and final circuit. Grabbing these dumbbells, you're going to start off with a reverse lunge to high knee. Stepping back onto the toes, hit your lunge, drive your knee up. Keep that 90-degree angle on both your legs. Press off your toe, drive your knee up. 45 seconds with your right leg coming up, 45 seconds with your left leg coming up. Move on to your next exercise. You're going to use your box. Make sure you have a box where you can adjust the height. You want to start off pretty low and make your way to a higher step as you progress. Doing your curtsy, you're just going to reach with your toes, extend back behind your leg. Let that knee come pretty close to that standing ankle. Alternate sides for 45 seconds. And you hit your third exercise on the block, dumbbells down. Make sure they're out of your way. You're going to perform a toe tap. Get the arms moving, a little bit more advanced. All you're doing is alternating your steps, reaching your toes to the box. Once the toes tap, you switch feet. 45 seconds here, hit each, all three exercises, 3 rounds, and that completes week 5 of your advanced workout. Thank you guys, we'll see you next week.